Hopefully, this time I will catch him climbing right side up. He's not so sure right now. It's like, is she watching me? But yet he still manages. To just reach right over the squirrel baffle. I think he's checking out if I'm coming out or not. Because he's looking right at my porch. It's not a whole lot there for him right now. But it does look like he is going to eat more of the suet. Okay. I am not going to refill the suet until I have another torpedo squirrel baffle, since he doesn't seem to be able to get over those. Or she. There's some fairly prominent nipples, maybe? Yeah, might be a she. For all I know, she has a little cub somewhere. So she needs to store up energy. Seems a little pointless running her off again. So we may just kind of watch. Oh, raccoon. I will defeat you soon. Okay. Trying to decide about running her off or not. Kind of seems like I should. Not let her get too used to eating up there. Then she'll just come back at night. Huh, interesting. What's going on over there? Okay, I don't know if you see it, but over there, across the creek, there is a deer, and laying down, I believe, it's a fairly old fawn, but her fawn nonetheless. So lots going on right now. And the raccoon, is still eating. There's a blue jay up in that tree. Nope, another blue jay. That's a European starling down on the ground in between the feeders. Oh, if you look over in that corner, there's a third deer that just entered the picture. The one laying down and the two standing up. Blue jays still in the tree. Raccoon still eating the suet. Quite an interesting... Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't notice. I was using my binoculars. I didn't notice you had slid down. There's the blue jay up on top of that feeder. He'll probably go grab one of those peanuts and fly off. I know, a lot going on right now. Now I'm a little weary of running the raccoon off because I don't really want to startle the deer across the way. Oh, poor blue jay. The other one ran him off before he could grab his peanut, I think. Okay, well, time to go run off El Raccoon. I will be back after he's gone. She, I think it's a she. Okay. Raccoon has been run off. The deer are still across the way. They definitely got alerted by me coming out, but did not run off. And now there's a little downy woodpecker eating the suet nuggets where the raccoon just was. And that's a brown-headed cowbird on top of the middle feeder. Oh, and a little Carolina chickadee on the suet nuggets as well. And that would be a starling, the bullies. And another starling. Yeah, they're kind of the bullies of the group. Just, oh, that was a mourning dove. But not sure if you can see it. Oops, sorry for the shakiness. But kind of right in the center is the head of that fawn laying by the fence over there. Just shook its head. Like I said, it looks fairly old. However, I did, with the binocular, spot some the little white spots on it that you think of for a fawn. It did seem like they're kind of fading away, but okay. just real quick, there is that mourning dove I mentioned, sitting up on my porch. There's a bluebird. A real, like, Eastern Bluebird. I don't know. I have not had one of those until now. Not a blue jay, but a blue bird. Okay. This is great. Sorry for the really long video, but it seems like we're getting really interesting things. Yes, most definitely an Eastern Bluebird. I had brought in mealworms and things like that, trying to get them here, and it's worked. I don't know if it will fight the starlings or not, but I know it's here. You know it's here. And if it knows the food is here, even if it doesn't get much now, it'll come back, hopefully. But there's a little bluebird. Okay. Well, oh, I'm going to zoom in because the bluebird just came down to the feeder. Oh. And now he's on the ground over there. Sorry. And back up there. Sorry for all the shaky camera footage, but I will leave it there because I want a picture of him.